So there are 12 people. These are the name of the people, and they study in 3 classes: 10, 11, 12. Each class has 4 students. Okay, so we have made 10, 11, 12, and each has 4 students, and each subject is allotted to exactly 4 students. Okay, such that each class has at least one. Okay, so let's start with point number 1. Aman is not allotted mathematics and does not study in class 10. Okay, so Aman will be 11 or 12 and he will not get mathematics, so it will be either physics or chemistry. Bharti is allotted physics. Bharti is allotted physics. So let us fill here as well. Bharti. And Farhan is allotted chemistry. Farhan chemistry. Either Charu or Gaurav study in the same class as Farhan. Okay. Kamal, who is allotted physics, studies in same class as Dishang. So Kamal, who is allotted physics. So Kamal is allotted physics, studies same class as Dishang. So both of them class we have taken x, and we know that x cannot be 12, so it has to be 10 or 11. So let us fill physics as well. Kamal physics. Hitesh, who is allotted mathematics. Hitesh mathematics. So mathematics Hitesh studies in class 10. So Hitesh studies in class 10. So class 10 we have Hitesh. Jatin is allotted physics and Inder is allotted mathematics. So Jatin physics, Inder mathematics. So physics Jatin. Physics Jatin. And Inder is allotted mathematics. Inder is allotted mathematics. So mathematics Inder. Lalit is allotted chemistry. Lalit is allotted chemistry and studies in class 11. Class 11 Lalit. And Lalit is allotted chemistry. Gaurav studies in class 10. Class 10 Gaurav. And Farhan studies in class 11. Farhan studies in class 11. Class 11 Farhan. Number of people who study in class 10 are allotted physics in 2. Okay. So out of BKG, we have BKG as physics. We know that out of these 4 people, one more will be there. 2 are of class 10th. BKJ. Okay. Now you can see that K is of class X and it can be 10. Okay, so possible J can be. Okay, so we don't know as of now anything. So what we can do is we can suppose that value of X is 10 or 11. So let us take cases. So suppose okay. So before coming to that, one more point we have. Either Charu or Gaurav study in the same class as Farhan. So you can see that Gaurav is studying in class 10, Farhan is in 11. Okay, so Gaurav studying in same class, Farhan not possible. So Charu has to be in same class as Farhan. So Charu's class will be same as Farhan. So it will be 11. Let us fill this as well. So Charu is in 11. Now, number of 11 are how much? 1 11, 2 11, 3 11. Okay. So we cannot take x as 11. Why? We cannot take x as 11 because if we take x as 11, then this will also become 11 and we will have how many 11s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 11s we will have. But we know that there are 4 people studying class 11. Okay, so x cannot be 11. Only possibility for x is it has to be 10. It has to be 10. So Dishank is in class 10. So 10 Dishank and this K, who is K? K is Kamal is also in class 10. Kamal is also in class 10. So class 10, 4 people are done. Okay, HGDK are 4 people in class 10 and we know that 2 are physics. Okay, so class 10 HDGK. Okay, let me write it over here. HGDK. Okay, these 4 are in class 10th, out of which H is mathematics, so H cannot be physics. K is physics, so 1 physics we got, and out of G and D, either of them can be in physics. Okay, we'll come to this later on. Now, number of 10 how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 number of 10 we got, and number of 11 we got 1, 2, 311 we got. Okay, now 311 we got. So 11 in chemistry we got. 11 in chemistry we got. Now we know we need 11 in physics. 11 in physics we need. This need to be sorted. A is in 11 or 12. Like if we talk about 10, 11, 12, physics, chemistry, math. Okay, so 11 chemistry we got. 11 one more chemistry we got. These are good tables, like it becomes quite easy for you to spot. 11 chemistry we got, 11 chemistry we got, 11 chemistry we got, 11 chemistry we got. So here we cannot have a chemistry. For sure we cannot have a chemistry over here. So it will be either physics or mathematics. Okay, as of now we don't know, but it will be either physics or chemistry. Sorry, maths. Now 11 physics or maths. Where is the fourth 11? 1, 2, 3, fourth 11. Okay, so see, fourth 11 cannot be over here or can be over here. Okay, 11 can be over here. We need 12s. We need 12 as well. This point we have used. Aman is not related, does not study in class 10. Bharti is related physics. Kamal, who is related, the class is not 12. Yes, the number of people who study in class 10 and are allotted physics is 2. 10 is done. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 is done. 11, how many? 1, 2, 3, 11 is done. Where can we take 12? Chemistry, 1, 2, 3. 12th. Any 12th we have figured out as of now. Oh, 10th mathematics we have done. 10th physics is also done. There are 2 10th physics. Remember this thing. G can be physics, D can be physics. There are 2 10 physics, no? B, K, J. It can be D as well. Okay, so see one thing. Now we know that there are 2 10 physics and 1 chemistry. Okay, so this will be either physics or chemistry. With D it will be either physics or chemistry, and talking about G it will be either chemistry or physics. Okay, in any order it will be. Now we got physics, 2 physics we got, chemistry we got. Chemistry oblique physics. Okay, so let us write it down over here. It will be either D or G. So see one thing, we need a class 11th physics. Okay, because we haven't figured out physics for class 11th. Okay, B is in B, we don't know the class. K, we know that K is in class 10th, so it cannot be physics for class 11th. J can be, and D, G cannot be. Okay, so B or J, either of them will be in class 11 or 12. Okay, now let us see. Jatin is a lot of physics and both of them study class 12. Okay, so we missed this point, and this is such a blunder we did. Jatin is a lot of physics and Inder, and both of them study in class 12. Class 12. Jatin, Inder, class 12. So Jatin, Inder, we missed. That's why we were having that much time we were taking. Okay, so 12th with maths and 12th with physics we got. 12th with physics and 12th with maths we got. Now how many 12s are there? 1, 2. 2 12s are there. Now we haven't got 11th with physics, and only possibility is at this place. So it has to be 11th with physics over here. Now 11th, how many we got? 111, 211, 311. 12, how many we got? 112, 212. 12 with maths we got, 12 with physics we got. Okay, 212 only we have got. 12 with maths we got. Chemistry, how many chemistries are there? Aman is not allotted mathematics and does not study in. Okay, so this is a possibility. Aman, class 11th, how many are there? 1, 2, Oh, so we have got all class 11th, na? 1 year, 1 year, 1 year, and 1 year. All class 11th are done. So this has to be class 12th. So this is a class 12th, and this is also class 12th. Now, class 12th, we know that we need 2 mathematics for class 12th. 11th physics we got, because 2 physics, 2 chemistry, and 2 maths will be there. 2 mathematics we need, so E will be mathematics for sure. Okay, so E will be mathematics for sure. And for Aman, we know that 12th with chemistry did we get? We got 12th with physics. We got 12th with physics. We got 12th with mathematics, and we got 12th with mathematics. One more. We need 12 with chemistry, and that is only possible at this place. So it has to be chemistry over here, and this is our final arrangement. Answer all.